Okay, you know what they say about Act 2, it's always the longest act. And so I'm gonna copy this over, paste it in here, and let you complete this on your own. It's basically we're redoing what we just did, but this time around we're gonna make a map of current conditions. So I've given you the dem here, and I'm gonna run it, and I just wanna call your attention to it by copying that and pasting it into here. It's this Merit DEM, so it's 90 meter pixels at the equator, and it's a global data set that's created by the University of Tokyo. And you should notice that it's an image rather than an image collection. So all you need to do to get started is load it as an image, clip it to the geometry, and then you should be good to go. My only advice here is use 1 meter above sea level to define the coasts. So basically, rather than using this, you're going to do something analogous, but now you're going to go anything that is 1 meter or above is land, and anything that is less than 1 meter is going to be water. Don't basically the advice is don't use zero. You'll create a lot of artifacts if you try to do it just at zero. The other thing I'm asking you to do is to multiply the binary by 2. So the result should be an image that is 0 for water and 2 for land. And then otherwise, go through it. There's a couple of extra steps, like when you create the islands, I'm going to ask you to filter the islands to remove some of the noise. So get rid of islands that are smaller than you want to keep all of the islands that are greater than 0.1 square kilometer. Anything smaller than that is basically either noise artifacts in the data or tiny, tiny rocks that we don't need to worry about. And then, yeah, give it your best shot to complete all these steps on your own. There are a couple of checks as you go through. So I think there are going to be 2 checks here. Check 2 and check 3. Fair enough? Good luck.